Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Wandering Gypsy Deb. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I upgraded my shelves in the back to wider shelves. I'll take you through the process of putting the shelves together and installing them in my Nobuild minivan camper, so stay tuned. This is the storage shelf that I have in the van right now. As you can see, it fits over the cup holder, armrest in the back, and I bought a wider one so I could have a little bit more shelf space. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to install that and take out this shelf and have an upgrade. All right, so we are going to be putting together this space keeper shelf, and we're going to do the unboxing, and we're going to put it together and get it out in the van so we can have some extra shelving space. So let's get started. All right, so let's open this package and see what we've got inside. And there's handy dandy instructions. And then we have all these other parts which are strapped in here. Cut this off. Wheels, which we're not going to use these because they're not going to fit under the part that we have to put it in. And here are the pipes that go in between the shelves. And some more pieces, I'm not sure. Oh, these are hooks that you can put on the edges. These hooks. All right, so let's take a look at this real quick to see what we do. Not too difficult. So these are the shelves. There's 3 of these. And they're all the same. So we'll start out with this one here. Let me move my camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Start off putting these 4 pipes into the shelves. And then this one goes on top. I'm going to take a rubber mallet, gently hammer those in. And then the last 4 on here. And then the top shelf. Easy enough. And this shelf is a little wider. It's like 8 inches across this way. But the shelf itself is almost the same height as the one I've got out there now, the gray one. All right, so we've got it all together. You can see the shelves are pretty wide. Hopefully they'll not be too wide. And this is going to fit right over the cup holder armrest in the back of the van. All right, here we are out on the van. I'm going to take everything off of this shelf and take it down and try to get the new one up. All right, let's see how I got this up here, because it's been up here a while. Try to take this bungee cord out of here. All right, I'm going to leave this end hooked in here because I don't want to have to try to get back in again. This just slides right in like that. I'm going to take that one out. And let's see how this one is going to fit in here. Okay, as you can see, I have both of the shelves put up. This one's on the left side of the car in the back by the cup holder shelf armrest. And I took this other shelf down because apparently I didn't have these poles hammered in far enough. So it made it too tall, but I've got it just perfect right now. It actually fits right in this spot. I'm holding it in by a bungee cord, which is connected to the seat belts right there. So the shelf is not going to go anywhere. Pretty sturdy, not going anywhere. Gives me lots of shelving space. So extra shelves for my 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan Nobuild minivan camper. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful to somebody to give you extra storage in your minivan. And I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.